Pymongo, how to check if field exists. I am using Pymongo to fetch documents from my collection. All was working fine, until I tried limit the results to only fetch documents where a specific field exists if a certain collection is selected. Here is my code. The above code throws a 400 bad request error on the line with query field underscore to underscore check underscore for exists equals true. I have also tried using query field underscore to underscore check underscore for equals exists, but that returns an empty result.
Your query dict is in wrong format, please try this one.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.